Hi everyone, I'm Vicki Berry, current president of the St. Louis Woodworkers Guild. We're out at Faust Park today at the shop for our annual swap meet and barbecue. We've had a great group of roughly 25 to 30 individuals from the guild that came out to sell and swap some of their wares that they no longer need. A lot of members found some really great bargains. So we had a great day today. The sun was shining and our members were able to have barbecue. We had brats and brisket and dogs and lots of good desserts. And we truly, truly appreciate everyone's participation. So, thank you very much for being here this year, and we hope to see you at future events. Thanks. Ba 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 ba.